Objective number 4. Graph quadratic functions of the form f of x equal ax squared plus bx plus c. Step number 1. We write the function f of x equal ax squared plus bx plus c as f of x equal ax minus h squared plus k by completing the square in x. And then step number 2, we will use transformation to write the function f of x equal ax minus h squared plus k. So we notice that the k will tell us go up or down. If we have k positive, we will move the graph up, and if we have the k negative, we will move the graph down. For the h, if h is positive, we will move it to the right, and if h negative, we will move it to the left. But we need to notice that we need to have a minus in front of that number h. For the a, we will begin from the original table, and then whatever the a will multiply the a by the y, which is the output. Now, example number 7, we want to write f of x equal x squared plus 4x plus 3. This is quadratic functions, but it is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. We need step number 1 to use the transformation. We need to have the a, the h, and the k. So step number 1, we need to convert that function in the a times x minus h squared plus k form. In order to do that, we will use completing the square. So you notice that this is in the form x squared plus bx that we learned in section 7.1 before. The formula is we need to add one more term. For the x squared plus 4x, the b is 4, so we will do 1/2 of 4, and we square that number. So 1/2 of 4 is 2, and when we square the 2, we got the answer is 4. So we will add extra number 4, but we notice that we have the equal sign, then we need to add 4 for the other side also. Now we can complete in the square. So we get x plus 2 times x plus 2. That is x plus 2 squared. The number is 3. We copy down. So the x squared plus 4x plus 4 give us x plus 2 squared. That's why we copied out the number 3. But we notice that we want to solve for the function f of x, then we will minus 4 both sides to get f of x by itself. So x plus 2 squared minus 1. Your a is 1 in this case. So what is the a? Is 1. The h is negative 2. Why? Because this is the same as x minus negative 2 squared. So we need the h is the number after the subtraction. So it is a plus, so we have to make subtraction. That is the same as subtract a negative 2. So the h is negative 2, and the k is, this is the same as plus negative 1. So the k is negative 1. So the h is the horizontal. So shift right or left. So we're gonna go left, right? And the k, we're gonna go down. Go left 2 steps and go down 1 step. So to begin the transformation, we will begin from the original parabola. Original parabola has the vertex at 0, 0. And if we want, we can label the point A, B, C, D. And you can do the A first, the H, or the K first. So in this case, I do the A first. Since the 8 is 1, then we multiply the Y part 1, so it will be the same. So in this case, 8 equal to 1, it will be the same. It doesn't get stretch or shrink. So this is y equal to x squared graph. And now we want to do the h. We will move the function, the graph of the function, 2 steps to the left. So the point A will land on 0, negative. Sorry, the point A will land on negative 2, 0. And the point C will land on 0, 4. So we label the new one in step number 2. We just move left 2 steps. So that is x plus 2 square. Then we will move the graph down 1 step. Now we need to label some information. First of all, the important point is the vertex. So the point A will be negative 2, negative 1. We also have the line. This is line called axis of the symmetry. So if I draw that line, the dashed line, and what do you see is what happened on the right side, symmetric, what happened on the left side. Okay, so this line, the one that passes into the vertex A and is a vertical line. The equation of that line is x equal negative 2 because it's passing to negative 2 on the x.